I woke up on Friday morning at 4 a.m. to a message that one of my friends back home had killed himself. This is 5 hours before my wedding. So Ricky lad, that's for you. But there's a stigma in this world that men can't talk. Listen, if you're a man and you've got weight on your shoulders and you think the only way you can solve this by killing yourself, please speak to someone. Speak to anyone. People would rather, I know I'd rather be made cry on my shoulder than go to this funeral next week. So please, let's get rid of this stigma and men start talking.